When you say I look like what, I'm going to tell you I look like your mom. Then we're taking it down to the grave. I'm getting shallower. I'm becoming the smaller person. I am becoming the smaller person day by day. I'm done being this whole bigger person. It's nonsense. Mutu achitori nini yaka page yawe. Unore ne omuane asongoli ambara tekila Nike Puma. Go buy sneakers first.
Comment here, Nepal.
Oh, yo, bruh. Like, if you don't go lower, you're going to get bullied. Next thing you're depressed. It's not happening with me. I'll fight for myself everywhere.
Cut the red.
They're checking a comment section.
Why is that Africa?
They're checking a comment section sometimes. No one is fucking with my little sister. If you say anything, honey, I am coming for you.
Big sister.
I'm not going to leave anyone. I'm not going to leave any stone. What do you mean good luck?
I read
Rovu, wakabone.
I read there, sleeping.
Ouch.
Yo, I saw go work at the Tom.
Arbuzo retome riter tu.
Rna coffee.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the Black Hash Diaries. We are coming to you from Panda Studios, 38 Miller Street in Braamfontein. The number is 010-023-2939. Clock it. Sorry. Anyways, happy Women's Day, guys. And this episode is brought to you by MR21. Mm-hmm. So here's the thing. Oh, no, I'm going to search you. I don't know if I should start with the competition or introduce it. But no,
Hi, but what?
Why are you going to
Those are the ones who dreaming.
Why are you going
to very the end.
Do we continue? Oh, great.
Yeah. The future boy. So.
Yo, guys, the studio is very low today. Because someone I am 21 because, wow, the energy is very low today.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm
good. Do you watch Engineer Your Life?
By episode.
Yeah. Don't you go to How's Your Heart today?
What's the fun of that?
That guy's interviewing skills are good.
No, they are good. To chance and stuff like that. I feel like all would start the questions are good.
He's very good. I think the fact that he's educated adds a lot.
Yeah, because he's an engineer, apparently, allegedly.
Wow, if you noticed, we're almost there.
Second half.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Our parents, now August.
How has it been for you though?
You're fast. It's been fast, but it's been a good year. It's not a complaint. It's been a good year. Yeah. How was yours?
It's okay. I think, I wouldn't say if anana any other year. Every year is different.
It is.
But
no,
man, I love life. So every challenge at a time. I'm never gonna say, yo, it's been a bad year or whatever. Because today is not like tomorrow.
Yeah,
do you understand?
Go.
Yeah. So yes, guys, don't forget commenter. You probably win. Yeah, you stand a chance to win. So I think it's high time we start, guys. The energy is very low, like we said. Each and every one of us is tired.
It's not too bad.
I am dinner tonsils, na flu. I don't know what's it. I don't know what it.
Did you see China? The
thing is, Nandy's doing the so I never know what it is. So also my asthma inga. No,
that's
it's weak already.
Often you boost that the vitamin what I take
too many pills already.
No problem.
I'll take pure pain pill. I'll take flu. With flu, I know winter you're taking this joint in a flu. Like you don't wear it. But then now it's getting to this part.
So I think change of season and stuff.
Right. Okay.
So
anyways,
that makes sense.
Did the right? How was Z Nation?
It was nice.
I can see from the energy. It was amazing.
Was worth it. I really enjoyed it. As in for a woman in Women's Month. It was beautiful to see. Number two, whenever they performer, back home support and stuff. Even her husband, she was such a peru. No, I love it.
What performances stood out?
Okay. And I've been waiting to see Makadzi, so I was very happy Ubona Makadzi could performer. You know, as usual, energy 100.
Yeah.
I perform about that I was I think Ndotwa could perform a Black Diamond. I enjoy. I didn't know
what time did it end?
And I left about 2-1. I think it was supposed to end 1, but they were ending that Makadzi performer. So maybe they ran over time. Yeah, yotomanga 2:30. Katikiti 2:30. Nemando shikanga bo 3:30. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. No,
I wish they were more like Limpopo artists.
Ne.
Maybe I'm sure baba na. I think few commented somewhere over ana gigs, no, she couldn't make it. Mara ola ufinyi DJ Amar, is it Amar?
Amar, yeah.
Yes.
She played
Limpopo. Yeah, she played Limpopo. So now I was happy because I go for my people.
You love Ligombo.
I go for my people, so yeah.
You are literally the second person that's telling me, Makadzi. I have another friend who was telling me. Yeah. Because she's Venda, but she's never seen Makadzi perform.
I also hadn't.
And she brought in the vibes.
Oh, as usual.
And Makadzi is a performer, eh? Makadzi has so much energy.
No, I wonder where she gets it. And we'll see. I think she performed after 12, if I'm not mistaken. Put some respect on her name.
I feel like Royal, she's going to do this. Is she still showing up though? She will.
Ati Deiburi. Mara kwambo refon to mini. So ati Devi Nazuri. Kanavakas do. Is it still?
I don't know if
Mara posta your nova.
Yeah, I mean.
Posta your Royal.
You know,
somewhere online.
Yeah, the
lineup can she still drop out or no? Since no,
I don't think so. I think nobody. In case
maybe deposit nyana.
Don't you think it was a PR stunt? It was like a marketing thing.
Marana last year there was also that situation, no? Sure.
Because after she said that, Ndomu Bonoro perform one of their activations.
Oh,
so I'm like, they're fine.
Yeah.
Or maybe they were fine. It was just a PR thing.
Maybe. And Makadzi is big, so obviously it's not trend.
Yes.
But
and then people are gonna get to talk about it. And then talk about the fact that Makadzi is now back in, even though last year they had like a little
own thing.
Yeah. But anyways, looking for. Are you going this year?
I don't think so.
Why?
Because in that royal. And in the Corona, it's far from where I stay. For me, it doesn't make
Last
sense.
year you did.
Yeah. No, because I always wanted to go. So I'm like, since I got this chance, why not? And I think I don't
Nana, it was my first, but
it was your first
royal.
I don't know before.
I'd never
really?
Never in my life. That was my first. And every time eat and Venda, but somehow I'd never go. I don't know why. But yeah, anyway, that's if we go. I'm still thinking about it. Although I feel like I don't know decide but
few weeks to go.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It'll depend. But the lineup looks pretty good.
It looks massive. No, one Scorpion King ya over and if I love Faraso. We were posted. Because
the bando when I was 29.
Yeah.
Then they're gonna come.
Food.
But you can never get tired of Kabza.
Obviously not.
Let me.
Well,
I haven't listened to it. That's my problem.
Only a few, not for a few songs. It's a trend, but not the whole.
Ne.
But and then there's compare another Karori, he could have done better apparently.
Really?
Marati was the Nazor, but those compare the work that you have to your previous work.
True.
So yeah.
And then I want to see who else is there. Surprise act. Okay, surprise act usually would draw by Mbakare. And then Scorpion Kings. I don't know. I have no idea.
Because I remember last of all.
Okay, Makazi Fondo right next to Scorpion Kings. And then there's Kelvin Momo. Ooh. Jazz Works and Tukutela. Zing Malo. Shebeshit. Karishma Shebeshit.
My people.
So Penduka.
All of them.
Even the Caesar guy, Isaka. Even the Isaka guy, Clement Mosa, Emo, Cedric Tonga Boy. Okay, I don't know what this is. Go bet Mukwa, definitely Benny Mainganyi, Peter, Moyo, Zozo, Misophil, Gusba Banana, Rootkid Venda, Kakati and Friends, Miss P, Batondi, Mickey Black, Capable Boys, Asati and JR Player, Fistus Valley, Debraz, DJ Lolo, Pro, Heed, We, the DJ King Chief. No, I'm impressed. I'm pleased.
Line up your own massive. No, it's very good.
I'm like impressed. Everybody's in here.
The whole logistics, I would go because, no.
And you know, I feel like people are always just waiting to say something. They brought Vazana ba Eastern Cape and a couple of girls that were advertising in one of the activations. No, okay, you don't follow them.
No, but
okay.
On
Instagram or anywhere else. Also, the people I have, I'm marketing it on WhatsApp, so I get to see where she does the activation. I could see where it at the stage, and then there's like these influencer girls. But I'm like, before I saw Botlinile, the first thing I saw was the fact that every Venda TikToker was there. And I think that's a good thing.
It's a Venda event.
From Musanda,
the extra.
Randy was there. Like all of them. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I'm like, for as much as I even saw the influencer, the TikTokers, they don't have as much followers, but they were there. They were featured in it. So I'm like, so if they can take every influencer from Venda, what else are they supposed to do? Like, but you're incorporator. Do you get what I'm saying?
And I think it's good. It's like we reach to just because the event you have
True. It will also open up doors for us when we have to promote gigs. This is your Venda. Do you get what I'm saying?
Exactly.
But overall, I'm impressed.
Overall,
it looks amazing. It looks amazing. What else? Where do you want us to start? Where do you want us to start? The list is crazy because the list is hectic.
Oh yeah, more beg your parent wait.
Choose your time. Okay, beg your parent wait here, many guys. Yo.
Ikadena zoro zipe.
Magi yo say me.
Nena ba party yazo kana to zidiva.
Magi yendo text that in the morning. That is namzir ko shura because I want to know so I can sit and laugh.
But I mean, I know what is superior. Hey.
Magia. Udo ve tu travel. Hey, bigaro do ve na babetu.
Are you no serious?
Ndato uva mubiri
wanga
I was exhausted. You know, like
so my event
no, you're green. So the day, my varsity friend, she lives in Mpumalanga, like a good 2 years. So, that was done director for a night. So we were trying to,
catch up. Na catch up esa.
You have no idea. Like, actually, we did say we want to see if we still have the energy we had in varsity.
Yeah, no,
we woke up sick. I was sick till like Wednesday. I haven't touched any percentage since that day.
Recovery as varsity. As fun as
we looked at each other. We're like, we used to be able to do this Panda. What do you mean we're tired? We were so exhausted, but we had a good time. We went for dinner. Did a bit of club hopping. Yeah. It felt good. It felt good.
During the time.
But guys, there's nothing that beats going out with your girls. Girlhood. Going upstairs,
the best way.
Going upstairs, no Vramugo. No for a McDonald's. You can't tell me anything, guys. Girlhood is where it's at. I'd rather spend time with my girls than with men.
Yeah. True.
I know you don't relate, but it's fine.
No, I do. I know you love friends.
No, but I know you'd rather be with your person.
No,
really.
I have friends.
Would you cancel your plans?
Mostly with my cousins, actually.
Here's a question. Actually, if you've got, let's say you're in a relationship, and your friends are like, okay, a bit the weekend, let's go to Durban. What do you do? Do you consult with your man first, or you tell him, okay, this is what me and my girls are doing. Okay, how does it work? Let's say it's like 2 months before. Because 2 months is a lot.
Yeah, oh, my girls are thinking 1, 2, 3. What if I know plan?
What if the guy is planning something else?
What
are the dynamics? Do I go and ask permission?
It's not about permission, the communication.
That's what I want to know.
You're discussing it.
Okay, how would you put it?
My girls and I are thinking.
No, you know rengi wa ticket no rengi
rengisani ndisathu amba na muthu wanga. Ai guys, can't be serious. No nanisoko jumpa na ngati nithoma number ori guys nendikomrori for birthday weekend ya chibuya kare Durban. Ne rekhazi yamba ka group ya
gift. Ane ticket ndi gift.
It's no gift, it's out of my hands ke.
Ndikomba zvone ndo rengero ticket.
Though njambo nena muthu wanga will do other plans at other times. U gift ndi gift. It's out of your hands.
Maginya, what would you do?
Yeah.
Arikwamba eno mara on a relationship.
Mara still relationship into communication. You can't just do things. I'd rather be single, okay?
If you're I'm just a horrible person.
No, serious. But it's about talk. Like, can't you say, my girls and I,
yeah,
hey,
but I'm just, okay, you know
what? Like, it's not necessarily like asking for permission. You're discussing it. So I'm another number, right? The equator 1, 2, 3. No,
I'm such a bad person.
You'd be like, maybe I don't I'm going.
I'm such a horrible human
What if I know it as a plan?
Why is Mbuza?
What if it's a surprise? I don't think
Rakadibaka age surprise zingwe, you know, like
especially
we have busy lives, you know, we have busy lives at this age.
So just plan in advance.
At this age, if I want to surprise
you, find out.
Wait, if I want to surprise you, I find out if you're at the office or if you're at home.
Yeah.
If I want to send flowers. Your age, you're like, we do so many things. So if you're not going to tell me in advance, and don't tell me what we're doing, but tell me you've got plans. Then.
Yeah.
So I know. So I know. But anyways, I guess I'm just a horrible partner. I would tell you where I'm going. I think I would let you know. Because I feel like men do that as well. Like men put themselves first. So if that you're like, so my birthday is up to you. Like, what am I saying? I don't get it. But anyways,
it's not about that. But like typically, do
you think a man would come ask for permission if his friends were, oh yeah, we're going for a golf, whatever thing on your birthday? Do you think that can baby golf? He's gonna tell you. He's gonna tell you the boys and I are going out for golf. He's not going to come ask you. So my question
is not about asking.
I don't have to.
I agree with that.
Okay. Thank you. It makes sense. Where do we start? Do we start in Venda or do we discuss?
Venda.
Yeah. Dr. Pert passed away. Everyone is shocked about Dr. Pert. It's Songa and she's from around.
Okay, I didn't.
But I didn't think she was black.
Okay. I only saw her in all over.
And the way they used to pronounce her name, Dr. Pert.
Why not Pechu?
You can do a lot.
Tango is a private school. That's why she called Pert.
No, pronounce her.
Mariana apparently she used to do like very good work because plastic surgery.
Yeah, ndomana mumta kwamba mara je aita doro na ntura simwangole na mse oroba he. Na litabo.
Na doro yaninge.
Doro na litabo joy. You know her from the ultimate Real Housewives of Joburg. Yeah. Yeah, it's horrible. Na matomo ndo ndiye wabo tumuita science and area fix.
Yo, and oya fix take again.
Mara again oita Sitelo and look at Sitelo.
Sitelo's one is good.
So it's very, I think that thing if bakamo bidi 109 uri niko visa na magai kwa guys shitani. So bangwana mine and they want to
just a balance.
Would you get one?
Problem? No. Nende shava yo. It's surgery. Just the pain and everything. I think pain tolerance, so in that position.
You don't even have tattoos, right?
I don't. The only thing I have is piercings.
So I'm just like, and the fix you and bro, please don't do anything. That's when I spring as move as I can feel it. I let her, then I ask her later on, she's like, oh yeah, I just did a few.
Oh, it's one pain tolerance.
Abokwenge za 3 kama 13.
Hey,
not
so that
no uroita butuku.
Mara
it doesn't matter.
Ela ni deliver iko.
I don't know. None I don't think that I pain tolerance. Also, I just feel like it's a bit
so
of
you wouldn't also.
It's too permanent for my liking. I don't like permanent decisions.
Exactly. After a few years, what's the story?
I think
you can reverse some things.
But I don't want to put myself in a situation where now I must pay to take something out.
Yeah.
And you pay almost double or whatever the price. You know? Fixing, what things are going wrong in your tissues and whatever. I personally...
Yeah, the risk is I
don't like anything permanent.
Yeah. Anana's tattoo. You don't have.
Because I don't think there's anything I will put on my skin that would make sense tomorrow. I'm a different person every day.
I thought I'd want to, auntie. Mara ndichumbrori, I might tawanda ndikunyanga lubo something. Machendo of why did I get that?
I'm a different person every day.
Mara this other girls, like apparently once you have tattoos, like they don't bother you.
They would bother me. Those stand in the high school.
Yeah.
And my dentist did say, yes.
Yeah.
Imagine. My mom was saying no, but I was like, I remember I actually pulled a stunt. Don't pull a stunt for the end. I was at school. Vantende and have a note. The chief Venda ya dentist. Ndaran go for baba. Don't you never go check under enemy and go bampangesta.
Hey.
And then they called my mom. Hi. My mom came. Van. They were like, what? And then the doctor was like, you know what? And if you come back, don't come back. And then I remember I got to varsity.
So you had it that long?
No, from grade 9.
Yeah, that's long.
That girl. I remember those girls. And then I get to varsity first year. I'm like,
what the hell?
This looks ghetto as hell. How do you take
Seriously.
Complete.
Even collection.
Najesia uzi. Yo. Ndichikubayira no smile. I go home ngamatch and I'm like I want it out. But
same
no,
dentist.
I want you to feel it.
Hey.
Nibuyenga November. Yo. Yo viswa second year.
I'm sure
I felt like it was a dream.
I smile
Yeah, like, you know. That's how I was talking. So I don't think I can. Hence the whole baby thing.
It's very
everything
permanent.
Is too permanent for
and
me.
It's not.
The fact that go to be an net care and about responsibility for the rest of my life.
Parenting, I fail.
Yes, I'm still. I say, I'm still a baby. I always tell my mom, I'm like, when does this thing end?
I'm still a baby.
I was calling my mom asking when and I'm like,
exactly. Consult.
Knowing me as a parent, that's how they fare food.
How?
Why are you asking me about? It's a Saturday, I'm having my wine. Why are you asking me?
Apparently, if you better rate to drop or something. The girlies.
You guys are doing so well. Guys, so I saw a story. It was 2 weeks ago, actually. Yeah. A week ago. Yeah, mommy,
Facebook.
So for the longest time, Babo Dumangori, she fake a death young one or insurance, whatever. Yes, it happened.
I remember last time I called she became
there's always been a story. Do you understand? And because of that, Yombo number I don't know if I should call it like a digital footprint. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And then sharp. So one day, because this happened like years ago, like 2016, 2015.
Okay.
One day she was like, she wants to talk about it. That was last week. I'm like, I want to hear this. Because Baba Satoshi was Jenny. The story she explained was like...
Did she go on live or something?
She made videos. It was a whole thread. I'm sure I'm sure I'll try to send it to you. But I'm going to give you overall of what she said, right? Because Pongo yoba yore 3 million the kid can't get an ID. She found out that want an ID. So she says what happened was when the kid was still young. I think Baba Chita's piece job or something. Then someone asked, "How? Why when I said but no, I can't afford to take her to school and pay rent at the same time.
Okay.
So the other lady, apparently the lady used to work Old Mutual. She was like, no, don't worry. I'll make a plan. Come and pay the IDs and one. She goes to Old Mutual. She finds out there's money. Martina ila chere ndia mini. Ndia rufu. You know, like ndia msingwana all.
Don't worry, so that lady.
I think the father, the woman didn't know, my pool didn't know. So sharp, she does that, and then and then Vajia's lot to her fake was the death. The other lady was doing it. So Mampuru is saying, deep down I knew what was happening is not like legal but at that time I needed money and I was like, hey,
she
whatever. Also, she was thinking, who could fake you a Bambirla death like Siwa, not Uri, who could do an actual death certificate. So one of the, which is very weird. Yeah, then and then she have. She's saying it apparently she got like 13,000.
13,000.
Yeah. Marabachi was only she was saying you were cotton you never for your 20 something. So what helped her was the fact that was no signature.
Oh.
But then that's not like the most shocking part of the story. The most shocking part of the story is the friend. Yes.
Okay.
And then the same kid was crying because just like every other parent.
Yeah.
So the baby is crying and then the friend is like, because she's not okay, I'll bring the baby back. Like they're like best friends. The baby can sleep over.
Okay.
But ula bashtuana abakwashkoroni akuvaninge. Baba na mwana ne uo mupira I think 2 years.
But one Zura for a while.
Yeah, for like a week or so.
Okay.
So Hanepo during the week, I think the friend was taking her baby uyo itwa ID. No, maybe. And then she said, no, she's 16, she's not going to get it. She has to be 18 or whatever. And his sister. The story. She had told her friend about what happened years ago because it was before they met.
Okay.
So now she goes there. Find out to know, man, this kid is dead. But my issue now is how the friend now goes around and teams up with the police and not tell the mom straight. Because I'm like, if really there was something in right? So sharp, the friend goes around. She's even telling the best friend, I wonder what it's about.
Surprised.
She's acting surprised. So at that time she was running like a crash, like a daycare. So the friend was even the one taking her to the police. Or she keeps on saying, no, it's a crash in case nasibuye. Then she was like, why is like I don't get it.
Calculated.
Very well calculated. But you are dropping because they know her because they've been in communication with her. And then Bajana Vafaris was rejo. Up until somewhere in the middle, someone tipped her be like because this one time she says she had a small phone inside. The first person she called was the friend. Next thing so the friend was telling
the police
everything. And then she even manipulated the kid into saying the mom used to abuse her. It's basically sexual assault because like private parts. Like, dude, this was a well orchestrated story. The scariest thing is the fact that it's coming from a best friend. When she explains the whole thing,
it has to be the closest person.
Which didn't make sense because for the longest time people were thinking she's guilty. Because that's like a real case.
You're ongoing for a investigate and stuff.
A good lawyer. She changed lawyers because the lawyer apparently
the best friend.
The best friend. Apparently the lawyer had a thing with the and then now
sometimes
it wouldn't clock.
Do you understand
friendship with
this person?
Yeah. So the person was jealous of her friend. So it just got me thinking, Uri, we need to really be careful because a lot of people have like agendas. You get what I'm saying? You never know what After so many years, she was silent, and when she finally broke it, I was like, and the Usumbedzori, she's not hiding anything, she's giving us names. Even the police woman, there was a point where she asked for money. She's like, no, give me 50,000, then we can make this disappear. Meaning they wanted to share the money with the friend, probably, allegedly. Like, she mentioned everyone's name. Apparently, the police officer was, for something related to like fraud or something.
And
I'm like, friends are dangerous. Friends are dead for years.
Mara zvino mwana hoyu ngori zvinobhasa upfi womafesi olova zvidoitisa mafungwa awe.
I don't know uri mwana zvoguma gai bo amba ngahazvo mara uri vo vopololiwa because howanurisiwa upfi hauna signature yavo petu, so she basically didn't know anything about it.
Mara chelede yaingosvika
chelede votosenderiwa aingoya straight, still aingoya account yavo yoyaka yahula muzana, so there's nothing linked to her there.
Okay,
she
no,
didn't claim it
sense.
Basically. So
mara ndikotopferela mwana ngori zvinorova home affairs hana ID.
I don't know wavusiwa hana mntu wavusiwa, how does it work?
But if it's a case and stuff, like can't they?
And
I
if the mom won it,
I don't know.
I wonder if the kid has an ID now. I don't know.
But in a metric, don't you need like ID unwara and
problem
stuff like
that? When eventually when things got better for her, when she had businesses, some of the like life covers zingwe. Like the insurance and whatever. If the ID doesn't exist.
If you mean
that's what I'm saying. Because this person doesn't exist. So I guess also by that time I also it was a thorough check. Remember now they do things differently ever since the Rosemary thing also.
They have to.
Live cover for any. Like it you account yawe. If that's the case.
Hey, is it deep? Is it shame, man? What case you're afraid out? It was concluded. She's out now.
Yeah, she's out. She's been out.
She's been out.
Oh no, langwa. It's just that no one ever really followed up as to what Venda. I mean, rumors as no very.
Maybe that's why she was your case.
Yeah, it's been years. I think it was 2016.
Shame, man.
I think we need to move on to something like that.
Hey, it's heavy.
What do you have? What do you have? I want you to be the one to introduce this next topic.
Because
Mesa.
Oh, Zagaten.
I didn't know Gaten was colored.
Okay, I knew he was colored, see. Because he always says he's rapping for them and what. Because they, like, and things like that, because they're a small group.
Yeah.
Group T. Ndobona kantu nukofi open chats podcast. Sizo tomaninge but could amba something but could allegedly could discriminate colored people. I know we want to podcast.
I just saw a clip. So what they said is
podcast.
I do. Those kids are funny as well.
Is it?
I enjoy their podcast.
Okay.
They're funny. They're never serious. They're like a bunch of
It's
Megis.
lighthearted.
It's like a group in it. There's a bunch of Megis and Auna Soul. You can imagine. You can imagine. So they were like colored people. I think there was a story.
Oh, it was about
colored people. Or they sleep with each other because their households are. You've noticed and stuff. And then I'm like, no, the colored people do that. And then he emphasizing, yo, bro, colored people are crazy, bro. Guy?
Podcast.
No house in. Yo, colored people are crazy. Then they started talking about it. The fact that all colored people are crazy and they're
wrong.
I don't know. I don't think it was. Personally, I don't think it was racist. I think it was a stereotype thing. The same way
I've never heard it.
No, usually
braids and what I
no, the clip ya Gaten Mackenzie ako interview wanga Mexican and he was talking about why they are always associated with gangsterism and
okay,
so every single tribe has a stereotype. Zulus are known for arrogance. Why don't they ever get mad?
In bread and stuff. I think there's no
it happens everywhere. But I just feel like
or like in the households there.
I don't want to say uri wrong and right in it. Wrong. You can't say anything about anyone. Although we take jabs at each other all the time. But I guess because they're like a smaller community, probably that's why they felt like it was coming for them. Also, I just feel like Gaten is trying to derive the whole attention. Like we're focusing on the smallest things. Mara nina case ya corruption. Now we must look at the fact that opinion penga. Like, bro, we've got serious problems in the country right now.
But none of them sorry Gaten kuvaga. None don't gaba imera batuba. If black people that were being discriminated. And then they tweeted that Gaten Zatomova article about black people and things like now people are digging up Zutuzwa tweet. As no matter what parliament. So that is his lazy too.
Yo, they throw her under the bus.
They throw up.
The minute he speaks, we come with facts. Then we can move. Because right now he's focusing on. I understand Urbo Sarah, and I'm not saying their feelings are invalid, but then I'm just saying Mutononga Gaten. It would be the best time to keep quiet now. Ufi McKenzie. Okay, I know it's Gates McKenzie, but I never used to take it serious. So I'm asking someone, I'm like, Ujena Gaeka Makalad. And then I feel Gaten in you. I'm like, oh, flip. Okay, he is colored. But you know, Nukomo said that you wouldn't.
No stereotype.
I just feel like open chats now, it doesn't play. You should watch it.
I should.
Those kids are crazy. They're always getting cancelled.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, something about them. Don't start to end up for anything.
They are like, they say the most foul things. Like,
they create. But
they always bring like little girl, like two girls.
Like as a guest.
Or about one of them was fighting with Sima at some point. There's always something. I find them very interesting, and I feel Muti over Corona Kespazino. So this podcast already in our then you know they're doing something right.
This was bigger than usually.
Because they are trying to shift the focus.
Kenny and Tim,
you get what I'm
this
saying?
thing is unraveling. We're saying
it's about to get wilder. It's going to get wilder and wilder.
I think I'm happy it's all coming out, Timara, and then what? I feel like South Africa's it's like we hear about things and then just
I really hope this one is not one of those cases.
I hope not.
I don't think
Mukwana discouraged.
I owe it like a whole press conference, and the next thing, the cases are just like. I don't think it will happen like that.
I hope not. Covers follow up, even though na president
What exactly did he say? Because I didn't watch it.
A bunch of. I also didn't watch it. So the usual is opening a what sort of inquiry. For the thing, basoko investigator. Or something like that. So they just investigate. I'm like, Mkwana's onoita's investigation. Why was I to investigate? My bambiron's file so no investigator. Continue from there.
Anyway. They're gonna try and run away from it.
Yeah, they always do. I always feel like these things are always linked to like higher people. So
yeah.
That's
so
a
yeah.
Somewhere somehow.
Do you want us to talk about Muritho or?
Yeah.
I wish we had the recording so we can play it. Can we play it before? Richie editor. Maginya. Okay, so Nendo ipha. Yamze akwamba na mwana.
Mwana 14.
It got me so mad because Richie Mangazo na Maginya last time. Raro chirodo pamu mingwa and this of a conversation, and I'm like, here you are, like you are pushing. Avanga domanga mio achibopenyerana.
And ziyafana zorukhamba na mwana.
He's like azunga data mapungo na mapolisana. Yes, dog. So they tell mapolisa, and that's where you are now. I will never fully understand if he ara upon your kaiti. I don't know.
Apparently, he has allegedly another case before
he should have.
Kanufindia Cape Town.
He should have.
Cape Town. No, but I was research or anything like. No, so apparently there was also another case before this one, and I don't know the wife. I feel the wife allegedly went to church the Sunday and she was like, allegedly.
Remember Obia one accident? Yeah, but people. I've got a lot of Venda journalists Facebook, so I read it there last year. Actually, one accident. I don't know, Mara. That naye allegedly grade 12. Do you understand?
Why is it? No, it's predatory.
All these guys want to find out about Tugu. I think it's because they're easier to maintain.
Hey.
All you gotta do is buy Streetwise 2 and take it to school. And take it to a lousy lodge. And it's the fact that how do you think the parent feels? And now that I'm asking myself, is the parent part of the church?
Probably.
I think so, because me over the guy. It's either the one local where he comes from or the church.
Okay, I'm sure. nezvomboresa. I hope vaita investigation and everything abamuvalela.
Justice must be done, guys. In this case, Ruto, the justice in every way.
Exactly. Ndobana vatuka bail hearing yao outside vakoita. Vachiko strike, protesting and things like that. I hope vasamuvisa.
Yo, this is one of the topics that make me so mad because guys, I've got little sisters and I'm
exactly.
like, no ways.
Exactly. Imagine.
At 14, after school. Ukuri uniform after school.
And one of 14 are mufumakazi.
And you think that's fine?
No, it's weird.
It's weird, bro. Like it's giving mental case.
Exactly, like something.
It's mental.
Something is off because no.
Yo, guys. And they were commenting out I've been trying to get someone. I saw one, but it was like 100 rand a pair. I've got so many pairs. What's gonna happen now?
Because I was like, what?
Also, we had to kubanga mchini. I should give it a try.
What's the temper? Oh, nabungozi.
What do you mean? Muchini? Do the banga carpet? Kumete kan? Vele kono kwa bathroom.
Can I you know the makeup brushes? Bapanga ka pillowcase so by bopa. And then they wash it in a maybe you can do that for sneak. Actually, they even know
the makeup brushes but bazipanga mchinini.
And
that could actually work. I want to wash them. No, that could work. I can get an old pillowcase and wrap them inside.
Yeah, so upanga zi makeup brush on my pillowcase and then in the washing machine.
That is amazing. I'm gonna do it today.
And then this girls over as well, except your foundation because you know that one needs an extra. Yeah,
I'm sure ngabanga sponge.
Yeah, upanga zwote.
Genius idea. Because I've been meaning to wash my makeup bags as well. Because makeup foundation and the price, guys. The price. I'm trying to get a new one now, and I'm like, it's so
beauty
expensive. I prefer
natural.
No, honey, you just don't want to buy it. That's what you mean.
Apparently, it's like mzana wa ntuni. It's easier to maintain. I'm just
as
like
a makeup.
Hey, and I'm a wood. So I was like, yeah, just copyright it. It's the frontally.
Guys, don't be like that. Don't be like that.
Did you go look at so the packet here Antonio equated like 150. So no suddenly this guy's like, hey, and guy so they were talking with this the lady who was doing my hair and stuff like that. I was like, not never. I'm just like, yo,
why are men like this? We're wine is chapachere. Like
I bora.
Eh?
Malimo amba recently.
Urmini?
Economy fasi. Monandi plani.
Kai push economy. So what must happen to my hair now? Guys, no. No. On a lighter note, Tumantando and Una have a baby.
Yay!
That was the most adorable video I've watched. Did you watch the reel?
I didn't see the reel. The magazine cover. I saw the magazine cover. Oh, it was so pretty.
Amazing.
They're such a cute family, man.
Like, guys, Olam's on what keep pire.
In a circle. I'm glad we're about to choose the bow.
Because how should I want to child?
And as a family, whenever no baby. I think that was nice.
I think also Odzura, she made sure she was indoors because house not room for the woolies.
Apparently, Ufi advert Nivea. Apparently, she was wearing a blue dress or something. Yeah, Ufi, if you look,
everyone is just gonna look now. Everyone is just gonna be like, oh, we saw that.
Yeah.
But no, man, I'm really happy for them because I feel like in one of the couples, they got a lot of backlash.
Why?
Because Tuma has a baby.
Oh.
Hey, why is Una stepping up and Una? Hey. But it doesn't matter.
But in social media, in real life, these things happen. But the lady will have 2 kids or the guy will have 2 kids and there'll be a blended family.
There's a page that's stressing me out. Facebook. The person has been posting Duma and 2 pages. Like, Asongo.
Like Wambara's bikini.
Yes.
Why?
Asongo fima koti washu, and then Venda people are gonna go there. Yeah. Shama koti wasi mara Honda. What? And I'm just like.
There's no episode at that time.
Yes.
Hey.
No, but nana ingwe yamse orengando oposta or congratulations to myself on that page. And then people are like, no, now you're married. It's not yourself. It's us. And I'm like. People are just jealous.
No,
I think people think maybe I think people think maybe has some deserving.
Mara, if I happy guy.
And they are such a beautiful combination.
They are. They're cute. I saw even the wedding pictures. Which are they in?
December
December on the guy.
23rd.
The guy.
It was amazing.
23rd
or 24th. It was so pretty.
And the but covered and the young couple.
The young couple.
But covered
something and like what you like about your dad. It was adorable.
That's nice.
It was adorable. And the baby dating the junior Doroka and so I'm like,
oh yeah, I also saw that.
Yeah, at the end everybody wins.
Exactly.
At the end, everyone is fine. What else do you have on your side before Nendichi skipper?
I check at that time. I think Ramba's what.
You think so?
On my side.
Honey Maginya. Rekam guy.
Your parent topic. Your parent topic. Your parent was going mean.
I think. Dr. Pert
oh, yangororo bela ingwe begwa mu bulungu. Eno bana funeral.
Yes, I watched. I saw a couple of clips.
TikTok.
Instagram. Some of the girls that attended. Some of the baddies.
No, I saw one girl.
No, when a company I marked you told the whole decor. I'm like, you know. Like it was beautiful. Like,
yeah.
Was the cheese board? I don't know if they did the catering as well, but it was like fancy. I would like to go down like that. I hope my parents are saving.
Your parents?
Yeah. Oh. It has to be the other way around.
It has to be.
I don't know. Anything.
Natural.
My mom looks like she's not dying now. That's the problem. She looks like she's still here for a long time.
But
she's healthy.
We know losing a loved one is never easy. At MR21 Funerals and Insurance, we understand the importance of celebrating life with respect, care, and personalized attention. Join our packages from as little as 100 Rand and have a dignified funerals for yourself or your loved ones. For further assistance, contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252, or you can contact them on their which is 061-509-0775, or visit them at Happy's Car Wash Complex, Chukudini, opposite Harikotso. And also you can find them on their website, which is www.mr21.co.za, and follow them on all their social media platforms, which is MR21 Funerals and Insurance. MR21, true respect.
What would you prefer? You would want to bury your mom?
I don't want to ever.
Exactly.
Let's live forever, actually.
Exactly.
Jesus must just come back alive.
When I think of losing my parents,
no, I can't imagine it.
So I don't
even
I
want to imagine it.
The pain. But the truth is, it's gonna happen. So, like one of us,
yeah, the life at the end of the day.
We just have to pray. Or maybe I don't know, like super old.
Yeah, and like but cover chili and stuff.
Right.
But before.
Liver.
Hey.
You guys are not sleeping. You are literally always outside.
Fun must be had at the end of the day. You're only young for a certain number of years.
Did you see one day in Lovo of Banga Bailey? And if you I silent.
I didn't.
A friend of mine once bought an iPhone. Isa silent.
Why?
So nani worried. No, you know that road put away brand new.
Because usually it's really so.
No, I was starting to wonder.
I
still divan. Yeah. That phone was a mess. It was an iPhone 6 Plus. I was still using an iPhone 6 Pro at that time. Which camera it used to stress her out.
Why camera?
You're watching like microwave, like you think you
I'm sure this sort of ring
on the side. I'm using the chomi. I don't know, chomi.
It's cheaper.
It's cheaper, and Utro deliver.
I deliver.
Yeah, deliver. Each rest class in.
This are I. Jenny said I'm
so I'm looking at your phone and I'm like, yeah, okay.
I didn't think I'd be getting text messages. That's when someone down, bro. No, serious.
Anyways,
one day
of bail.
And the community is,
yeah, we spoke about we did, ne? But Obo Farero, she allegedly killed her uncle and then a little sister yawe. What would I uncle
little sister little sister.
Yeah, your little sister. Because apparently the uncle had attacked their mom.
Yeah.
And yada. Me ofi bache bo fariwa because uchidama police ofi wone bo mudirindi bone. She took the fall for the kids.
Mara no way bache bo faro. Bo faro I mean.
Murder.
But if it wasn't her or Fararo pending investigation.
I guess.
Yeah.
Because if you were saying it. So one day over, Mara when they got home, the community was fighting them.
Nana ndo zvifezvo baba ko basa banyagi apa la mini. Marofi apparently the uncle used to terrorize the mom or something like baba chivatambudza.
I get it, Mara. And I renovate nanduela. So I'm like, if that's the case, why would I renovate Mudini?
As a family.
My mom is not being treated well. But shouldn't I work on building outside?
Yeah, Mara maybe angozumbra the way. Maybe kana miwa baba sanya guva and maybe wako actually they were kana wako already or me. Cause why was songov?
Things are looking pretty bad because I understand you know how the cases in South Africa are. It's probably still gonna go on for years. Jamba Nigeria to do whatever she was doing. Because
as Namun know something.
Yeah, tell Mariwa Klashmia.
Oh Mariwa.
The guy paid Lobola. We should be a Richie counter in rents at 600.
Oh yes, I remember.
But what did it, right? But what did it?
It's in Naira.
Naira is like the weakest currency.
Yeah, weak, Ishem.
It's
no marriage. Sana.
So do you understand how big that is? Also looking at the type of job she does, it needs her to be present. There's no way the business is running as usual if she's not there.
It won't run.
There's no business.
There's no business.
You know? So
there's no vodowa koshuma ke.
If you're self-defense, then they can get a good lawyer. Vaiponyoka. That's if. I wanted to talk about something else before Nichidanga one. Oh, Big Nance. Did you see Big Nance's video?
She was crashing out.
But what do you think about it? Okay, first explain.
Okay.
Explain it in case.
So
I don't think she's going to play it.
She's a YouTuber who posts about her life, like whatever she's doing during the day and things like that. Lifestyle vlogging. So, who posts another video, 1 hour, things like that. And yeah, she gives like consistent content. You know, there was a clip in one of the videos. I didn't see it. I just saw the clip on Twitter. She's putting out so much content. And then there was a time I think urasako check at the her monetizing like shared it with YouTube. I check after a while I realized no shared down. I think she expected to read by inja yaba lower than what she expected. You know, that's the reason why she went onto her vlogs. I'm putting all this hard work. We want to support and watch at the ads.
And then she cried.
Yeah, and Tomo trend. She was trending.
But what do you think about it?
No, I understand the Rukova guy. Like, she's putting out so much content and things like that for, like, I understand why I could expect her to support it. But also at the end of the day, you can't force people to watch ads. There's only so much you can do. Even though watch ads.
But then now, is it not like an entitlement issue?
Or entitled to, but
already do you understand? I pay for the Wi-Fi. So you can't come and beg me. The streams of the music and no, I put so much work. People that make music put so much work to it. You can't come say, at least listen to it 5 times a day so my streams can go higher. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Especially because Big Nance Indiana Mutu, I watch her vlogs. She's pretty good.
Nice.
She puts in the work.
Watched recently.
So for her to now come on a platform like this, it doesn't make sense. The donation. That clip came about and I'm like, okay, you were the same person when I So she's like, I don't understand how it gets to 100K views, and I'm like, do you understand? The 100K people watched your stuff and they are mad because they didn't watch the ads. Inside data, you want a vlog 40 minutes, you're about 100,000. Tell me how much they used. Do you understand? For you to now force them to spend more who are already to watch, they're using their own data. It doesn't make sense.
And I understand both sides. She's validated. I mean, she's putting in the work.
Yeah, that's where we are watching.
But I don't think she should. Okay, I understand the crashing out.
And then she's like, this is my main source of income. The first leak toxicity, that's the first problem.
Yeah, I saw that too. People were like, no, but wakuita zvimwe zvitu now when I do something. But
Bro,
she also
we
has a Jambaro. Like she has a, I
she
don't know.
has a Lagos
but
style.
She talks about it.
I follow her. I know what she does.
I used to watch Akwamburu and then I'm going to bana ni shop or rings online. Just Jambaro and stuff like that.
Thing in Cape Town.
But maybe the YouTube makes her more money than Isla Jambaro. Maybe that's why I call it my main source of income.
She's even a club host. Like you live.
YouTube.
Ati kuhana mnendi kupori kuambere
yeah kuambere ndiyo kwa no problem.
I put it so okay, who is supposed to put it? It's your video.
It's a choice.
Do you get what I'm saying? Mnendi pori, like, we just need to be grateful for people are watching.
True.
I hope we don't get to a point where we have to come and say, guys,
please watch ads.
I'm not about to force you to watch a Benelin ad.
Yeah.
I'm not about to do that, you know?
Yeah. Skip.
Yeah, zvitonga nne ndikorenza tikiti yasipen paint mutu arenga tikiti ndari mara ndingatorenga nti. It feels like that. It's like, bro, already you're doing this. You don't owe me. Nobody owes me. So I think a lot of people have entitlement issues, and I think I think the issue here never towards. Don't you think? We feel very entitled. No, we feel no. Entitlement problem. It issue a black tax. We have a whole lot of issues around. We just feel like you should. Just because your sister is a doctor doesn't mean she owes you. That's her degree.
That's true.
That's her degree, bro. Like, there's no... So I think that when I issue entitlement, I've seen it a lot.
Yeah.
If you have a friend and maybe you guys are not in the same space financially, or rather emotionally. Okay, let's use emotionally. Financially, in a problem. Just because I'm stronger than you doesn't mean every time you have a problem, I must be the one to fix it.
Yeah, that's
because I'll do it once, I'll do it twice.
And
but now I shouldn't be your...
all the time. Therapy.
That's what I'm saying. I was going through so much and you didn't pick up.
But everyone's going through something, yo.
I don't have to.
Yeah, and the choice, even though we're friends. Yeah,
so it comes down to the smallest things, like a missed call. If you miss your call and then you call me again, the first thing you say shouldn't be no, just go straight to the point. What do you want? I think it's an entitlement thing that we as black people have.
Yeah, and I think she should have just continued being like, watch ads, guys. Ads. Yeah, I keep her there.
I even introduced Big Nans to like most of my friends.
What
I love her story times, Uvamrauka story times, and then she went to
that show,
Bay Beyond Borders.
Yes,
that's where I first got to know her, and I enjoyed every content that she was putting up, and I watched it. Mara, now I'm not about to watch a Vix thing because. I'm gonna skip
out like, hey, put her down.
No man, I feel like a lot of people support her and the fact that and she got to 100K.
She grew fast,
bro, and she did put in the work. We saw her get cameras. We saw her achieve the ambassadors of Abudzi, Shara, and whatever. But it's the way you say it. Like, if I go to a guy and I'm like, I want money for her.
Entitlement. You can't force.
You can't force it. So I don't know, man. I don't know. It's sad. I know she's working hard, but
and I'm sure Baba.
So is everybody else for that data. I afford the data, but they're watching.
So both sides are right.
No.
They are.
How are they right?
Or about cover when it's the ads and never love converted data ya dura.
As really ready we mara.
Yeah, as really ready uzon. Mara when it's one of it.
No, now it's like you're doing it for us. I put in so much.
Hey,
no, it's you.
Yeah,
it's
it was
for
like
you.
that.
This is your legacy. You're doing it for yourself. Don't
like
act
that.
as if nenda bona vlog yamu humbo dijena chere de kamne. No, I am only taking out data, taking out money. So now I must watch ads as well. Ononga nendi west nendi bona vlog ingona inga 1.5 or 1.25.
Why?
Okay, why?
Wait, because Zorafa.
Do you think I've got an hour of my life to sit and because even the podcasting the eater when I'm doing other stuff?
None. Because I don't have time.
I think those genders that we are copying for an hour.
Dingo. 1.5.
I don't expect people to do the same for me. It's fine. I'm just trying to see if you're gonna go to the salon. I don't care. I don't care if it's a 5 minutes drive. So now I must drive with you for 5 minutes in the car. And you know how they are. They never get to the point. It's always,
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with my bros.
But never vlog out from Ambesa.
Do you get what I'm saying? So, no, man, I just think, I don't know. I don't know now. For the thing. So, we're going to choose, guys. Let me repeat. So, stand a chance to win groceries with MR21 and Spa. Answering this question, how many funeral plans does MR21 have in their packages? Name them with their premium prices. So basically what you're going to do is answer this question, and then the first person that gets it right is going to be our winner. So we're going to announce the winner next week. Yes. You're right. Thank you. Okay, guys, I think we're done for the day. How far are we?
We are done. We're good.
Oh, guys.
Thank you. Perfect.
Guys. See you again.
Was fun.
We promise next week we'll go to the energy.
Yes.
We didn't even talk about the Women's Day episodes because I haven't really gotten time to watch
I also haven't watched them. And about this summer, I'm for Perseverance. So I'm going to watch that one. Yes. I want to. Yes. I know she sings gospel. Yeah. So I'm going to watch both of them. And I saw the title and it looks interesting. So I'm excited to watch it.
Yeah, I think I'm going to do that now. When I'm cooking, I'm going to listen to them. But guys, thank you so much for listening. Watch the ads, man.
Watch the ads.
Don't be boring. Don't be a boring subscriber. Remember Wi-Fi. They're not going to complain. Anyways, guys, bye. Coming to you live. Is it live? It doesn't matter.
Recorded.
It doesn't matter. From Panda Studios, 38 Miller Street to Braamfontein. The number is 010-023-2939. Danko. 0. Guys, this is a Venda podcast.
Yeah.
Thank you.